Hey my lovely subscribers, welcome back to my channel. How you guys doing? Well, in today's vlog, as you guys know that I'm an autism mom, I have an autistic son. He's 5 years old. His name is Ayden. And with a lot of the autistic kids, they kind of walk different from how we walk. For example, with Ayden walks on his toes. He runs on his toes perfectly. He hardly be flat. He always be up like this. And guys, that's not good because when he grows up, he's basically gonna be walking on his toes. And I don't really want that for him. So to prevent that from continuing, I ordered some boots overseas. Some like really hard bottom boots that could be hard for him to bend to go on his toes. And you guys know that even make no sense. Ayden try till he wear these boots, till he bend it on to get to walk on his toes still. The child just ain't giving up for walking on his toes. So that didn't work. So our second option now is to cast his foot to make a braces for his foot. Basically you're gonna he's gonna wear the braces in the shoes. So hopefully this is gonna work now. So in this vlog here, I'll be taking you guys and show you guys Ayden getting his foot cast for a braces, both feet. All right, the braces is gonna take about a week to come back. So you guys are gonna see the process of them making the braces on Ayden's feet. So I hope you guys gonna like my video, thumbs up the video, right? And share my video. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe. All right, subscribe. We're on our way to 10,000 subscribers. Can we do it by June month end? I hope we can. All right, and also want to ask you guys to please watch my ads in my video. All right, I would really appreciate it. All right, thank you. So I hope you guys like this vlog with me show you how Ayden gets his foot cast. Hopefully this works because if not, if this braces don't work, he's gonna have to do surgery, and that's the last option. So hopefully this braces work. All right, so this video I'm gonna show you guys how the process of the braces making, and maybe in the next video I'll show you guys when I get it how it's looking and show you guys how Ayden wearing it. And so if I have a clip of him walking and running on his feet, which I doubt whether, because I want to edit this video right now, but in the future I'll show you guys him walking and running on his toes. All right, so let me just stop talking, and I hope you guys enjoy the vlog. Have a great night. Then leave on. Sit down. Ayden, stop moving. You have to measure your foot. Ayden, be a good boy. Then we're trying to measure your foot. Ayden, why not, baby? You got to stay still, okay? No. You got to stay still, okay? Be a good boy. You got to stay still, Ayden. Have you in the foot time video in you, right?
No. Video me too. You got problem, yeah.
You want people still?
No, I not want people. I tell you, I ain't got a problem though.
Oh.
You got people don't want you video them. For whatever reason. Wait, you say I want to be video put on Facebook or something? Or you not video for you own? What did you say? What put
No, I got a YouTube channel.
Oh, okay.
So everything I do it, he has just video
okay.
journey with it.
Okay.
Stop video. Ayden, stop.
You got any smart bandage? You have piece of the one?
Maybe stop there. You're a good boy.
You see it's anything for you?
Hey, no, you want to put it in your mouth. No, you can't put it in your mouth.
No.
No hands. It's not to eat. Ayden, stay still. No. No, you can't eat it. Can't eat it. No.
Start getting hard already. Just 2 minutes, couple minutes into the car.
Oh, okay. Hey, don't bite him. This is how high the brace is going to be.
Yeah.
Sitting up there. Oh, okay.
Well, your phone gonna be open.
Oh,
Just something
okay.
like that, like a mask.
Give it a can't put them out. No, Ayden. No, Ayden. No mouth. Not to eat.
Start up with Johnny.
This one, take this one.
Yeah, you got that. You got another card. You got another
No one from
Yeah. You can sing one. Yeah. Keep plugging it right there. But this, no, that don't cut
The
off.
other one, 40 green and black.
Yeah.
You gotta use the drill for cutting ya. Cut that?
Not that.
Oh!
Not that. Give me round cut off.
Scary.
Give me round cut off.
He won't stay still for that. Sometimes noise and all this
Right, see.
affect him.
Yeah, well, the thing is with the cutting, it makes nice.
Oh, Lord. So.
So, my guy used to sit down. The knife then, pass him on. Now you're cooking now. You know it. No?
Yeah, get somebody else to hold it down.
Come along, Danny. Come along, hold it now. I just want to tell you.
I'm right here, mommy right here.
You know?
Mommy right here, Ayden.
You're going to mark and mark that.
Mommy right here, they're not gonna cut you, okay? Mommy right here.
You put down for the smash, you don't bring it down.
Yeah, it's up here.
Mommy right here.
Yeah, hold it. gotta set it back when it's dry properly. So by eat quite enough. Right. Come on, we're gonna set it back before we pull it up.
Yeah.
But then it's come ready. You know open the book already?
Yeah, right, string it.
It's a big bug. What do you have there? And it gets stiff. Put it back properly.
Sit down, Ayden. See? You finished doing it fast. It wasn't that bad. Waiting to wash him off now, guys. It's a mess here. 3 men had to help hold him down. So I was able to video for you guys and show you guys everything. The whole process.
Come, I clean up the foot. Come. You see?
Clean it for Ayden.
Look at coming now. See?
Gotta come back to finish cleaning this baby. Yeah. Just now. No, don't go this way. Can't go in there, Ayden. It's a workshop. Ayden, you're a good boy today, boy. So Ayden just managed to get his cast. Gotta come back next week to collect it.